gather here today. Let us commence this auspicious occasion by invoking the divine presence through a moment of prayer. So I would like to request everybody please rise in the spirit of reverence and gratitude. Let our hearts and minds align as we seek blessings for the proceedings ahead, to be led by the Bicol University Chorale. Please remain standing for the entrance of colors of the BUROTC and the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Bayang magiliw, peres ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyad ka ng magiti, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisi. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bukha, may dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at araw ng kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walang pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang hindi kaya na pa may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
And at this time, please, let's all be seated. Maraming salamat BUROTC in leading us for the entrance of colors. And of course, the Bicol University Chorale, led by Professor Apple Rubio, our BU Chorale Coordinator, Professor of Bicol University College of Education. Good evening, everyone. What a truly beautiful evening it is as we gather here to celebrate a momentous event, the Bicol University Service Awards 2024. Tonight, under the theme of strengthening connections as stewards for humanity, we honor not only the milestones and success of our institution, but also the dedication, resilience, and brilliance of each individual who has been part of this incredible journey. And now, to set the tone for this momentous occasion, please welcome our Master of Ceremonies, Professor Maria Delia C. Ranieses, PhD, PhD, PhD.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the school we honor and revere the school we serve with dedication, Bicol University. And it is with great pride to give recognition to the honorees, the retirees, and the loyalty awardees in tonight's Bicol University Service Awards 2024. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the magical evening of glamour and excellence. As has been mentioned, I am Dr. Maria Delia Rañeses, and allow me to say thank you to Couture ni Jean for my gown and Georgia Lutivio for my hair and makeup. Now, let's get it on. Ladies and gentlemen, we gather for the Bicol University Service Awards 2024, an event devoted to recognizing and applauding the extraordinary contributions of Bicol University employees who have exemplified admirable service, steadfast loyalty, and dedication to the values of our distinguished institution. As we are all eager to be part of the evening's excitement and pride, let's make the event even more worthwhile by beaming with sweet, sweet smiles. Is that an easy task to do? Can I see your smiles? Awesome. Thank you so much for that. To officially open Bicol University Service Awards 2024, let us give a warm round of applause to the esteemed BUUFAI President, Professor Indira Tabo, to deliver the welcome message.
Our President for Humanity, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nembres III, to the various vice presidents of the university, heads of various offices, deans and directors, colleagues, and to our loyalty honorees and retirees for tonight, good evening. Despite my terrible speaking voice, it is a pleasure to welcome you all tonight, where we come together to celebrate and honor the dedication and commitment of our loyalty awardees and retirees of Bicol University. Loyalty is one of the cornerstones of success, whether it's loyalty to our organization, to our values, or to each other as colleagues. No person is perfect, in the same manner that no organization is perfect. And yet, we are here. You are here. You have stayed on. Today, we recognize those individuals whose hard work, perseverance, and unwavering support have helped Bicol University achieve its goals. As we gather to acknowledge these achievements, we are reminded that every contribution, no matter how big or small, plays a vital role in driving us forward. This is also a reminder to the Bicol University administration that when you take care of your employees, when you value your human resource, they will take care of your organization. They are engaged, they are productive, and they are loyal. Tonight is a proof that it is because of you, the teaching and non-teaching personnel who demonstrate and who have demonstrated remarkable loyalty and passion, that Bicol University continues to thrive and grow. We are truly grateful for your dedication. Cheers, congratulations, thank you, and good evening.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Indy. Indeed, the unparalleled performance of our dear honorees tonight has propelled the university to unprecedented heights, so we are truly grateful. It is time, ladies and gentlemen, to listen to the man who worked tirelessly for the university and inspires everyone to do the same. To deliver the President's special message, let us warmly welcome our most revered leader, manager, and administrator, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUC President 4.
Thank you very much, the beauteous Bambi. To the Supervising Administrative Officer, Dr. Jennifer Barameda, and her HRMDO team, the respective deans and directors, heads and chiefs of offices, the dynamic vice presidents, teaching and non-teaching personnel, the loyalty and service awardees, and the retirees, my Bicol University family, happy Thanksgiving and Recognition Day to everyone. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo at pakikisa sa taunang okasyon na ito na nagbibigay pugay at halaga sa ating mga natatanging empleyado, mga katrabaho, mga kapamilya sa Bicol University. I'm always honored each time I stand in front of our dedicated, hard-working, and loyal BUNO employees and retirees. It is not easy feat or task to be with an institution for far longer than 5 years. Staying in an institution as diverse as Bicol University has not always been easy, which is expected in any organization where diversity and individuality coexist. Thus, it is admirable to witness how employees can choose to stay and retire in an organization that they have chosen to serve and serve well. Your dedication to Bicol University has not contributed to our institution's success. It has also built the strong foundation of Bicol University for the past 55 years. And counting. We will never have achieved all the Bicol University is today if not for the unwavering commitment that you've shown, not just in achieving key result areas, but most importantly, in becoming a part of a culture of collaboration, genuine service, excellence, and most importantly, respect. Your years of service, thus spent in the halls and pathways of Bicol University, are truly an emblematic testament to your resilience, passion, and professionalism. As they say, it matters not how long or short your time is. What matters is how much you have used this for the service of others. Whether you have been with us for 5, 10, 15, 20, or more, your contribution has been invaluable. Your time with us have always been well spent and well appreciated. You are the wind beneath the wings of our achievement, and your loyalty is deeply and greatly appreciated. To our esteemed retirees, you are celebrated for your remarkable careers and passionate dedication. We appreciate the way you have sustained your journey with us. It has been filled with countless accomplishments, moments of triumphs, and lasting impacts on your colleagues and on Bicol University. Retirement doesn't mean an end to all that you have been used to. It is a milestone that signifies the beginning of a new chapter. It is an opportunity filled with new moments to create, to explore new passion, finally spend more time with loved ones, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. You will definitely be missed, but your legacy will continue to inspire and guide us. You will become legends of the university. We are forever indebted to the gift of your passion and presence that you have brought to Bicol University. If there's anything we need to remember for retirees and all awardees today, it is the fact that life is short. The moments we have right now here in Bicol University will simply be that moments, part of treasured memories that are so good to retrieve and reminisce. How do we want to be remembered? This is far more essential question that we should all ask ourselves as part of our gauge for excellent service. This is how we build legacies, by ensuring that our good stewards to one another, building good relations, and strengthening connections. Thus, as we honor the service and loyalty of our employees and our retirees, let us remember the values that have brought us here today. What has made Bicol University what is today is the hard work, dedication, and the shared vision that we have. To our awardees and retirees, thank you for your outstanding contributions. We are deeply, deeply grateful for your service. We wish you all the best in your future endeavors and look forward for staying connected as you embark on this new journey. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in congratulating our awardees and retirees. Palakpakan po natin. Let us celebrate their achievement and express our heartfelt appreciation. Remember, gratefulness is the heart of humanity. Diyos ang magbalo sa gabos.
Thank you very much, dear President. Rest assured, sir, that everyone who works for the university aims not only for personal achievement, but more importantly for advancing advocacies for humanity. Another round of applause, please, for our dear President. Thank you so much. We now come to the highlight of this affair, the conferment of retirement awards. Ladies and gentlemen, retirement after 7 or 41 years? Boy, I am sure those have been extraordinary and perhaps mesmerizing years of hard work and perseverance. What best way to acknowledge such is to honor them with such grandiose awards, cash incentives, certificate of recognition, plaque of commendation, and token. Allow me to mention that the cash incentives for retirees from 1 to 10 years is a cold cash of 10,000 pesos. 11 to 15 years, 15,000 pesos. 16 to 20 years, 20,000 pesos. 21 to 25 years, 25,000 pesos. 26 to 30 years, 30,000 pesos.
31 to 35 years, 35,000. And 36 to 40 years, a reverberating 40,000 pesos. So, from 1 to 34 years, they will also be awarded with a certificate of recognition and token. From 35 years and above, with plaque of commendation and token.
And our retirees will be receiving all these tonight. Certificates, plaques, and the cash is in fact readily available tonight. Incredible. For the first batch of retirees after 7 to 34 years of service, they will be awarded by our esteemed SUC President for Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Debrest III. Sir President will be assisted by Sir Cyrus Barameda, Vice President for Administration and Finance. Dr. Jonathan Arroco, Dean of the BU College of Industrial Technology, and Dr. Jennifer Barameda, Supervising Administrative Officer of the BU HRMDO. Once again, our first batch of retirees after 7 to 34 years of service. Our first awardee is Dr. Cynthia O. Mendoza. Of course, our awardees will be receiving the cash prizes tonight, readily available, courtesy of Ramses Morales. Once again, thank you so much. Of course, our first awardee, Dr. Cynthia O. Mendoza. Next award is for Miss Wencita M. Badong. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our next awardee is Miss Wencita M. Badong. Another awardee is Miss Teodora N. Onato from the Bicol University Auxiliary Services. Once again, our next awardee is Miss Theodora and Onato. Thanks a lot, Ms. Theodora and Onato, for your 20 years of service. Our next awardee is Dr. Eden M. Llamera of Bicol University, Pulangi. And I think we have prepared a special video presentation for each of our awardees. Once again, Dr. Eden M. Llamera. Maraming salamat, Dr. Eden M. Llamera, of your 22 years of service. Our next awardee is Ms. Maria Salvacion P. Amante of Bicol University, Pulangi Campus. Mabalos po, Ms. Maria Salvacion P. Amante, for your 24 years of service. Our next awardee is Ms. Arlette P. Lopez from Bicol University, Pulangi Campus. Once again, mabalas po, Ms. Arlette P. Lopez, of your 24 years of service for Bicol University, Pulangi Campus. We also have Professor William A. Inahe, also of Bicol University, Pulangi Campus. Maraming salamat for your 24 years of service. Next to that is we have Ms. Salvacion J. Alpapara, also from Bicol University, Pulangi Campus. Miss Salvacion J. Alpapara. Maraming salamat po, Ms. Salvacion J. Alpapara, for your dedicated service of 24 years for Bicol University Pulangi Campus. Our next awardee is Professor Lloyd V. Verdin of BUCSSP. Thanks a lot for your 24 years of service. Next to that is we have Ms. Erlina S. Magnate of Bicol University Pulangi Campus. Once again, Miss Erlina S. Magnate. Mabalas po, Ms. Erlina S. Magnate, for your 24 years of dedicated service for Bicol University Pulangi Campus. We also have Dr. Zaldi C. Magnate of Bicol University Pulangi. Mamalas po, Dr. Zaldi C. Magnate, 24 years of service. Another awardee is Professor Mario E. Masinag of Bicol University, Pulangi. Once again, Professor Mario E. Masinag. Maraming salamat, Professor Mario E. Masina, for your 24 years of service. We also have Dr. Maria Jocelyn Z. Pahe of BUCE. Once again, our next awardee is Dr. Maria Jocelyn J. Pahe. Maraming salamat, Dr. Maria Jocelyn J. Pahe, of your 25 years of service. We'd like to acknowledge, of course, the next set of awardees. We have Mr. Miguel M. Zuniga, Mr. Jerry Niserio, Mr. Samuel M. Perez, and Professor Dominica M. Poha. And to join us on stage, we have Dr. Lordita A. Llanto. Dr. Lordita A. Llanto is from Bicol University, Ginobatan Campus.
You're happily retired now. Hooray for you. Happily retired now. What you gonna do? There's books to read and golf to play, naps to take, have fun all day. You're happily retired today. Hooray. Oh yes, you're happily retired now. Hooray for you. Happily retired now. What you gonna do? All the kids must move away. There's nothing really left to say. You're happily retired.
Mabalas po, Dr. Lordita A. Llanto, for your 28 years of service from BU Ginobatan. Next to her is we have Professor Cristina M. Mirabueno of BU CBEM. Next to her is Mr. Rafael N. Bartolome Jr. from BUGASS. Mr. Rafael N. Bartolome Jr. Maraming salamat, Mr. Rafael N. Bartolome Jr. for your 33 years of service. Another awardee is Architect Ramon E. Dialca of BUIDEA. Architect Ramon E. Dialca.
Every blueprint, every design, every structure you've created has been a testament to your vision and dedication. As an architect, you did not just build buildings, you contributed to building a future. Through every challenge, you've shaped spaces that tell stories, places where people live, work, and grow. Your work reflects not just skill, but passion, precision, and an unwavering commitment to creating something that lasts, something that would leave a legacy for all the lives you have touched and inspired. As you close the door to this chapter, know that the structures you've left behind will continue to stand tall, telling your stories for generations to come.
Maraming salamat,
Know that your
Architect
influence
Ramon
is
E. Dialca, 34 years of service. Let's call on Miss Cheryl R. Del Prado of BUGASS. Miss Cheryl R. Del Prado is the former university cashier. And of course, Ms. Cheryl Del Prado, of course, for her 35 years, will also receive a plaque of commendation. Once again, Ms. Cheryl R. Del Prado, our former university cashier.
Thank you very much, our dear honorees. For the second batch of retirees,
After 35 to 41 years of service, they will also be awarded by our President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, SUC President 4, to be assisted by Dr. Maria Julieta Bores, Vice President for Academic Affairs, together with Dr. Rosemary Hadi, Director of BU Gubat Campus, and staying on stage is our Supervising Administrative Officer of BU HRMDO, Dr. Jennifer Barameda. Maraming salamat, Sir Cyrus Barameda, our Vice President for Administration and Finance, and Dr. Jonathan Arroco, our Dean of BU College of Industrial Technology for joining us. And awarding for the second set is Miss Lani C. Olivar from the Bicol University Tabaco campus. And each of our awardees, aside from the cash, will also be giving away plaques of commendation. Mabalas po, Ms. Lani C. Olivar, for your 38 years of service for Bicol University Tabaco campus. Another awardee is Ms. Shelo M. Ondevilla of Bicol University College of Arts and Letters, BUCAL. Ms. Shelo M. Ondevilla.
Enjoy your freedom! Pasyal-pasyal din sa BU! Enjoy din sa apostolic duty! God bless!
Maraming salamat po, Ms. Shelo M. Ondevilla, for your 38 years of service for BUCAL. Another awardee is Dr. Amelia A. Dorosan, former Dean of Bicol University College of Engineering, BUCS, VPAF or BPAF, and VPAA. Once again, Dr. Amelia A. Dorosan.
In every journey, there is a guiding force that helps us soar
Dr. Dorosan
to
is our
greater
former
heights.
Vice President
vision
for
that
Administration
leads,
and Finance
A passion
and
that fuels,
Vice
and a
President
commitment
for
that
Research,
inspires.
Development and
For us in
Extension.
College of Science,
Congratulations, ma'am.
that guiding force was Dr. Amelia A. Dorosan, who led us with grace, wisdom, and the strength of a leader who understood the power of unity.
Like birds in V formations, she showed us that success is not achieved alone.
Once again, maraming salamat po, Dr. Amelia A. Dorosan. 38 years of service from OVPAA. Another awardee is Professor Emily D. Docot of Bicol University or BUCE. Once again, Professor Emily D. Docot.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like one.
Once again, maraming salamat, Professor Emily D. Docot, for your 39 years of service from BUCE. Another awardee is Ms. Wilhelmina B. Henson of Bicol University Tabaco campus. Once again, Ms. Wilhelmina B. Henson. Maraming salamat, Ms. Wilhelmina B. Henson, BU Tabaco Campus, for your 39 years of service. Another awardee is Dr. Maria Gisela N. Mortega of the Bicol University Tabaco Campus. Dr. Maria Gisela N. Mortega is the former dean of BU Tabaco. Maraming salamat po, Dr. Maria Gisela N. Mortega. 40 years of service. And would like to acknowledge another awardee is Dr. Amelita R. Bello of the BUCSSP, 41 years of service. Next to that is Dr. Marisa N. Estrella of the OVPRDE. Dr. Marisa N. Estrella is the former Vice President for RDE, Research, Development, and Extension.
Hello, Ma'am Maris.
And former
Congratulations
Dean of
on your
Bicol
well-deserved
University,
retirement.
Ginobatan.
We want to let you know that your unwavering dedication and hard work over the years have profoundly impacted the lives of many PUNs, faculty members, and students. We are truly grateful for the joy, knowledge, and inspiration you have shared with us. Your legacy, dedication, and excellence shown to the OVPRD family will live on as you continue to inspire those who have had the privilege of working alongside you. We are confident that the wisdom
Once
you
again,
have
maraming salamat po, Dr. Marisa N. Estrella of the OVPRDE, 41 years of service. And to complete our retirement awardees, last but not the least, we have Dr. Maria Teresa A. Mirandilla of the BUCS.
In the journey of our lives, we meet individuals whose influence shapes us in ways we never expect. Today, we honor a colleague, a mentor, and a friend. Dr. Maria Teresa A. Mirandilla, whose presence and contributions have left an indelible mark on all of us.
It's no secret that Ma'am Tess has always been the heart of our gatherings. She led us with grace, starting every event and meeting with a prayer, setting the tone for unity and reflection.
Congratulations to our honorees, our dear retirees. The awards and recognition you have received are a testament to your invaluable contributions and enduring relevance to the university. You guys are truly amazing.
And of course, maraming salamat, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, SUC President 4, together with Dr. Maria Julieta Boris, Dr. Rosemary Hadi, and Dr. Jennifer Parameda for joining us. And this time, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to call your attention for a very special video presentation from the Vice President Boris, courtesy to Ma'am Ami. All right, let's all watch this.
Hello, Ma'am Ami. Well, congratulations on your well-deserved retirement from Bicol University. As I reflect on our time together, I am filled with fond memories of the many years we spent as fellow servants of this institution. Our shared experiences and friendship have been a source of great joy and inspiration for me. If you can recall, we started working together during our turn of duty as college deans. From the stresses we endured during accreditations to navigating a then totally new terrain called the ISO certification, when the then President, Dr. Lauray, decided to submit Bicol University to ISO certification for the very first time. We joyfully steered challenges and celebrated successes together. Your guidance and support have been invaluable, and I will always cherish the moments we spent during university planning, meetings to resolve problems, and the many precious moments we shared just to laugh together. You were not just a coworker, but a true friend and a confidant. As a mentor, you have profoundly influenced my professional journey. You know that. Your insights, encouragements, and example have shaped my approach to leadership and administration. The lessons I learned from you will continue to guide me as I move forward in my career. Your legacy of excellence, integrity, and a perfect balance of compassion and decisiveness will always be part of who I am as a person, as a professional, and as a leader. Ma'am Ami, we will always remember you as the Vice President who made an almost complete tour of 4 offices of the Vice Presidents. You became the Vice President for Administration and Finance, and then you were designated as the Vice President for Research Development Extension, and finally, the Vice President for Academic Affairs. Well, we even thought that you would be assuming the office of the Vice President for Planning and Development when Sir Louis Amano retired from service. But kidding aside, know that your dedication, wisdom, and unwavering commitment to service have left an indelible mark on our institution and on all of us who had the privilege of working alongside you. As you embark on this new chapter of your life, I wish you all the best. May your retirement years be filled with joy, relaxation, and meaningful pursuits. I know that you are freely enjoying and exploring new interests, and you get to spend more quality time with your loved ones and enjoy the fruits of your hard working. In other words, enjoy your millions. Well, you have earned every bit of happiness and fulfillment that retirement brings. Once again, congratulations, Ma'am Ami, on your retirement, and thank you for being an exceptional leader, colleague, mentor, and friend. Your influence will remain with me and many others as we continue to uphold the values and standards you exemplify. Best wishes for a wonderful and rewarding retirement. We miss you, and mabuhay po, Ma'am Ami.
Maraming salamat po, Dr. Maria Julieta Boris, with her message for Ma'am Amelia Dorosan. And now, to add color and fun to this event, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage, here they are, for a very special performance, the Albay Magayon Dancers.
Vamos con alegría.
Thank you so much, Albay BU Magayon. And thank you to their director, Dr. Karina Salas. Ladies and congratulations once more to our honorees. That for you was the first part of our awarding ceremonies. So yes, we shall take a break, enjoy dinner, and please stay for the second part of this awarding ceremony. Please enjoy dinner reserved. Thank you. Bon appetit.
So we'll see you for the second part of our awarding. Of course, this is the Bicol University Service Awards 2024. Harmony and Diversity, celebrating our shared humanity. Coming to you live here at Legazpi City Convention Center in the city of Legazpi, province of Albay. So this time, ladies and gents, we shall be having our dinner. So enjoy the foods, enjoy the meal, enjoy the pleasantries, the festivities, the sights and sounds of this year's Service Award. Mabuhay po ang Bicol University. Up next later on is the presentation of the Loyalty Awards. And we are looking forward that each of the awardees will be present. And of course, enjoy the foods. Bon appetit. Later on, we're going to have our acoustics once again.
Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you and talk words silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the burden pain, listening to your hope amounts of new some pain. She's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, how I wish you wake up one day, run to me, confess your love. At least just let me say that when I talk to you, okay. a girl do lying in the bed staring into the blue, unrequited, terrifying. Love is driving me a bit insane. Have to get this off my chest. I'm telling you today that when I talk to you, a cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess? And damn it, it's kind of weird. He tells me I'm pretty, don't know how to respond. I tell him that it's pretty too. And I see that don't have a clue. With every passing moment I surprise myself. I'm scared of heights, I'm scared of guys. Someone please help, 'cause I think of falling in love this time. I blinked and suddenly had a Valentine. What if he's the last one I kiss? What if he's the only one I ever miss? Maybe I should run. I'm only 21. I don't even know who I want to become. The first one to ever liked me back. I'm seconds away to my heart attack. How the heck did I fall in love this time? And honestly, I can't believe I got to call your mind. I blinked and suddenly I had a Valentine. As a kid, she saw me fighting my nota so outras outras outra man se passeia me só este one try consequência do que acabou de dizer conheço a consequência na vida me chibutzei quando te pensa por aí que fala chanchoi nada e cozinada Shabby's on up on a scala, no, we gonna feel the sorrow nada Nada o nada, ibo pei pra me anota Come koshi pra você Pukunta kumi anota Come koshi pra você Ninguém quer cantar as notas When me faço la cidade Fica sempre sem uma pequeno uma nota só let's just say nothing, ordinarily nothing. And I goes up on a scale and know that the end will come to nothing, ordinarily nothing. So I come back to my first thought as I must come back to you, and I would pour into that one note all the love I feel for you. Anyone who wants to help show when me first so listen down, 'cause if you find yourself with no show, better play the note you know. 'Cause if you find yourself with no show, better play the note you know. 'Cause if you find yourself with no show, better play the note you know.
A pleasant day to everyone. Fellow workers of this prestigious University of Bicolandia, Bicol University. Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin de la Peña Nebres III, SUC President 4. Our beloved, very able, competent, compassionate, and very supportive to our Employees Association's noble endeavors, Bicol University, youngest president for humanity. To our dedicated to service, Bicol University, men and women through the years. Our esteemed University Vice Presidents, to our Chief Cyrus A. Barameda, Vice President for Administration and Finance, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Lani Maceda, Vice President for Research and Extension Management Development, and Professor Sunny A. Ramos, Vice President for Planning and Development. To our dearest Deans and Directors, Heads of Units, Offices, fellow workers in the University, most especially to my BU ANS family, Bicol University Association of Non-Teaching Staff, guests, friends, good evening to all of you. As we near the end of another year, it is just fitting to recognize everyone's efforts in bringing our beloved institution to light. And so, tonight, we celebrate together for the exemplary services of our awardees and retirees. Bicol University stands firm in its vision amidst the challenges it faces from both human and natural sources. It had been a year full of tribulations as well as triumphs. It had been a roller coaster ride full of apprehensions yet overflowing with happiness. This had always been the case with our beloved BU. Our resiliency born from our experience keeps us steadfast and makes us strong and always better than before. Come high with the bountiful harvest reaped from the various awards of our students, faculty, and non-teaching personnel, or come low with the effects of unwanted calamities. Our bond as one family remains strong. This is perhaps the reason why we work happily in this place we call home. For this year 2024, we honor those who stepped extra miles for our students and for the community. Also, those who devoted their lives in service at Bicol University. To you, our dear awardees and retirees, congratulations from BU ANS family. Our resilient Action Again team will always be committed to work with all of you. Thank you. Once again, congratulations, awardee. Merry Christmas to you and to your family. God bless us all. Padayon, Bicol University.
It is with great pride and joy that we celebrate the outstanding contributions of our dear colleagues through the BU Awards 2024. Today, we give recognition to the dedication, hard work, and unwavering commitment of our BU service awardees. It is a testament to the collective spirit and commitment that each of you brings to Bicol University. Service is at the heart of what we do. It is the foundation upon which Bicol University stands, and it is the driving force behind our success. Each of you plays a crucial role in delivering exceptional service, whether it be to our clients, our community, or to each one. As we reflect on the past year, we are reminded of the challenges we have faced and the triumphs we have achieved together. It is your dedication that has allowed us to navigate these challenges with resilience and grace. We honor them today, for they have not only excelled in their roles, but have also inspired their colleagues through their exemplary service and commitment to excellence. To our dear retirees, you have been our mentors, leaders, and friends, guiding us with your wisdom and experience. The passion you have shown to your work and your unwavering support to your colleagues have created a legacy that will be cherished for years to come. To all our service awardees, your hard work does not go unnoticed. You have set a remarkable standard for all of us, demonstrating what it means to serve with integrity, compassion, and professionalism. Your contributions have made a significant impact to all BUeños and the lives of those we serve. We are grateful for your efforts and proud to celebrate your achievements today. As we move forward, let us continue to foster a culture of service, support, and collaboration. Together, we can build on our successes and strive for even greater heights. Let us remember that each of us has the power to make a difference, and it is through our collective efforts that we will continue to thrive. Thank you for your dedication, your passion, and your commitment to serving others. Congratulations to all our service awardees, and let us look forward to another year of excellence in service.
To all our loyalty awardees, this recognition is a testament to your hard work, dedication, and unwavering commitment to Bicol University and its vision. Thank you for being an inspiring example of commitment and perseverance, and we look forward to celebrating more milestones together. Congratulations!
Good evening, everyone, especially to our esteemed honorees and guests. Ladies and gentlemen, Bicol University Awards Night 2024 is a truly prestigious event. It allows us to honor our awardees for their dedicated and selfless service. Their efforts have played a crucial role in helping Bicol University achieve significant milestones over the years. Friends, recognize that working in a university has not always been easy. There have been challenges and moments of uncertainty, yet there have also been many occasions of joy, which we wholeheartedly share with each other. To our dear loyalty awardees, I would like to highlight something important. Despite the responsibilities and pressures we experience while working in the university all these years, whether 10 years or 35 years, you manage to maintain a delicate balance between work and life, which is truly commendable. After all the long hours of hard work, you always made sure that life beyond work matters. That is why your ability to uphold this balance is truly remarkable. With that, we extend our heartfelt congratulations to each of you for teaching another milestone. Whether as administrator, teacher, or staff, your unwavering dedication to quality and excellence has been outstanding. To our retirees, we express our heartfelt gratitude to all of you. Your patience, perseverance, and hard work throughout your years of service deserve our highest respect. Thank you, sirs and ma'ams, for your dynamic contribution. Ladies and gentlemen, let us take pride in what we have collectively achieved. Together, we have helped shape the university into what it is today. Let us continue striving toward our shared vision of University for Humanity as we pursue excellence and aim to deliver the highest level of satisfaction to those we serve. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the evening.
To all the BU personnel, both teaching and non-teaching, fellow awardees, BU officials, honored guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I am here today with a heart full of gratitude and admiration as we gather to celebrate the loyalty awardees and retirees of Bicol University at the BU Awards 2023. And this is a momentous occasion, a time we come together to recognize and honor the dedication, hard work, and unwavering commitment of individuals who have been the bedrock of our beloved institution. To the loyalty awardees whose service spans decades, the commitment to Bicol University has not only shaped the institution, but has also left an indelible mark on the countless lives you have touched, especially of your students. Your enduring loyalty is a testament to the values that define our university: dedication, excellence, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. Each milestone you achieved, every challenge you faced, has contributed to the rich tapestry of Bicol University's history. Today, as we acknowledge your loyalty, we are also express our deepest gratitude for the sacrifices you've made, the extra hours, the weekends spent in pursuit of academic and institutional excellence. Your passion for education, your tireless efforts in research, and your mentorship have not only elevated Bicol University, but have also inspired generations of students and colleagues. Now, let us turn our attention to those retiring. Individuals who have dedicated a significant portion of their lives to the service of this institution. Retirement is not just an end, it is a transition to a new chapter. As we bid farewell to our retiring colleagues, you reflect on the immeasurable impact they have on the university. Your wisdom, experience, and guidance have been invaluable, and your absence will be deeply felt. Your legacy, however, will live on. In the knowledge you shared, the projects you've spearheaded, and the lives made a difference. To all our retirees, please accept our sincere gratitude for your years of service. Your contributions have been the building blocks of Bicol University's success. As we applaud the loyalty awardees and bid a fond farewell to our retiring colleagues, let us all remember that the journey does not end here. Bicol University's success is a collective effort, and each of you has made a crucial role in shaping the constitution we are today. In closing, let me express our heartfelt congratulations to the loyalty awardees and retirees. May your future endeavors be as rewarding and fulfilling as the years you have dedicated to Bicol University. As we embark on your new journeys, carry with you the pride of being a part of the University for Humanity. Thank you and congratulations once again.
To our distinguished loyalty awardees and honored retirees of Bicol University, tonight we gather to celebrate an indelible journey of dedication, commitment, and excellence. To our 100 loyalty awardees, your unwavering service and extraordinary contributions have been the cornerstone of Bicol University's enduring legacy. Your dedication has not only shaped the future of countless students, but has also set a benchmark of excellence for generations to come. To our 31 retirees, your years of steadfast commitment have left an indelible mark on our university. As you move on to new chapters of your lives, know that your legacy will continue to inspire and guide us. Your wisdom and passion have built the foundation upon which we will continue to grow and thrive. Thank you for your exceptional service and for being the pillars of our university community. This night is a tribute to you and your remarkable journey with Bicol University. My warmest congratulations and heartfelt gratitude.
Hello once more, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I can see that some are still having their dinner. Please continue. Take your time. There's no problem. But for the rest of us, we can proceed with the program. Now, I would like to personally thank those who gave their inspirational messages, very heartwarming messages for the awardees. Well, I happen to be one of the awardees, so I am really grateful for all the messages. Up next, ladies and gentlemen, is the presentation of the Loyalty Awards. Hence, it's time to honor them. Friends, pursuant to Civil Service Memorandum Series of 1992, this award is granted to employees who have served continuously and satisfactorily for Bicol University for at least 10 years. The recipient shall be entitled to a cash award under the existing policies. Succeeding awards shall be given every 5 years thereafter. Besides cash awards, loyalty pin shall be given, such as for 10 to 15 years, bronze pin, certificate and token, for 20 and 25 years, silver pin with certificate and token, 30, 35, and 40 years, gold pin, certificate, and token. Now, we were just told that the pins are not available at the moment, meaning to say the pins shall be given on a later date. But of course, that would be awarded to all of us. So, those with the 10 to 15 years of service are bronze awardees.
To present the awards is Sir Cyrus Barameda, Vice President for Administration and Finance. To assist Sir VPAF, may we call on Dr. Mary Joy Katangi, Dean of Bicol University Pulangi Campus. Architect Maureen Sia, Officer in Charge of the BU Institute of Design and Architecture. And Professor Scorzini De Jesus, Officer in Charge of Bicol University Tabaco. So starting off with our 10 to 15 years of service, our bronze awardees.
Our apology for cutting short your dinner, Sir VPAF. Duty calls.
The Loyalty Awardee, starting off with Dr. Ramon T. De Leon of the BUCBM Department. Starting off with our 10 years of service, Dr. Ramon T. De Leon. Congratulations, Sir Mon, Dr. Ramon T. De Leon. 10 years of service, BUCBM. Another awardee is Mr. Fidel S. Ilarde Jr. of the BU Pulangi Campus. Another 10 years of service, Mr. Fidel S. Ilarde Jr. Congratulations to Fidel S. Ilardi Jr. Another awardee is Professor Jaslyn T. Imperial of BUCS. Professor Jaslyn T. Imperial. Mabalos po, Professor Jaslyn T. Imperial, a decade of service from BUCS. We have another awardee, Miss Christine N. Manrique of BUGASS. Miss Christine N. Manrique, also 10 years of service. Congratulations, Ms. Christine N. Manrique, BUGASS. Another awardee is Professor Maria Elma L. Mirandilla of BUEMD. Professor Maria Elma L. Mirandilla. Congratulations, Professor Maria Elma L. Mirandilla, BUEMP. Another awardee is Miss Ana Lisa Tracy Y. Moyo of BU Ginabatan. Congratulations, Miss Ana Lisa Tracy Moyo. We also have Miss Mary Jean M. Naz, also from BU Ginabatan. Mary Jean M. Naz. Years of service for Ms. Mary Jean M. Naz of BU Ginabatan. We call on Engineer Osmondo H. Oxiano. 10 years of service as well. And moving on, we have Ms. Maria Aimee M. Osma of Buseng. 10 years of service. Ms. Maria Aimee M. Osma. Also, we have Professor Annalisa O. Pabilona of the BSc BIM. Professor Annalisa O. Pabilona. Maraming salamat, Professor Annalisa Pabilona. Next to her is Professor Gladys Z. Serafica of BUCAL. All right. Professor Gladys Serafica. We also have Professor Alfonso M. Piñol Jr. from Busit. 10 years of service as well. Salamat, Professor Gladys G. Serafica. Next to her once again is Professor Alfonso M. Piñol Jr. Maraming salamat po, Professor Alfonso M. Piñol Jr. from Busit. Another awardee is Engineer Vincent A. Kalimlim of Buseng, as well as Professor Ramon J. Lu B. Cordovilla of BU Tabaco Campus. Salamat for your 15 years of service. And we move on with Engineer Eunice Jane B. Doctor of BU Pulangi. This time for our 15 years of service. Engineer Eunice Jane B. Doctor. Mamanas po, Engineer Eunice Jane B. Doctor of BU Pulangi. Let's call on Professor Catherine E. Ivasco of BU CSSP. Professor Catherine E. Ivasco. Mamanas po, Professor Catherine E. Ivasco for your 15 years of service, BUCSSB. Another awardee is Professor Maria Aurea B. Geriba of BURDMD, 15 years of service. Next to her is Professor Meline G. Lieva of BUCE. Professor Meline or Mylene, right? Ma'am Lieva, maraming salamat po. 15 years of service, BUCE. Next to that is Professor Daisy D. Lorilla, Bicol University Pulangi Campus. Professor Daisy D. Lorilla. Mamanas po, Professor Daisy D. Lorilla of Pulangi Campus. We have Professor Jason A. Losilo of BUCS. Professor Jason A. Lucilo. Mabalas po, Professor Jason Lucilo, for your 15 years of service. We also have Professor Louis Den L. Lumbao. Professor Louis Den L. Lumbao, BUCE. Maraming salamat, Professor Louis Den Lumbao of BUCE, another 15-year Loyalty Service Award. Ms. Ilona M. Matias of BUCBEM. Also, we call on our President himself, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Debres III, BUGASS, 15 years of service. Congratulations, of course, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Debres III, 15 years of service of our dear President as well. We have Mr. Adrian A. Osma of Busit, another 15 years of service. We also have Mr. Ray A. Padilla of BUGASS, 15 years of service. Mr. Ray Padilla. Maraming salamat, Mr. Ray Padilla. And we have another 15-year service awardee, Dr. Guillermo V. Red Jr. of BU Palangi. We also have Dr. Maria Mercedes A. Ramon, BU Palangi Campus. Dr. Maria Mercedes A. Ramon. Salamat, Dr. Maria Mercedes A. Ramon, BU Palangi. And another BU Palangi is Dr. Artemio Jerome S. Rivera Jr. We also have Professor Edsel P. Samaniego of BU Palangi Campus. Professor Edsel P. Samaniego. And of course, as we round off our 15 years of service, we also have Professor Erwin E. Torres of BURDMD, Professor Erwin E. Torres. Maraming salamat, Professor Erwin Torres. And to complete our loyalty awardees for 15 years is Dr. J.V. Christopher N. Vibar of BUCS.
Thank you and congratulations to the 10 to 15 service awardees. We now proceed to the 20 years of service. They are the silver awardees for tonight.
And to present the awards, may we call on Dr. Maria Julieta Bones, the Vice President for Academic Affairs. Ma'am VPAA will be assisted by Dr. Rosafed D., Dean of BU Ginobatan, together with Dr. Dimson Rivero, Dean of the Bicol University College of Business Economics and Management, and Dr. Charlene Losilio, Dean, Bicol University College of Dental Medicine. Thank you so much, Sir Cyrus Barameda, our VPAF, together with Dr. Maynard Joy Katangi, Architect Mauricia, and Professor Scorzini de Jesus for joining us for the Bronze Award. And our first awardee for the 20 years service, we have Miss Olga L. Advincula of BUGASS. 2 decades of service, Miss Olga L. Advincula. Thanks a lot, Miss Olga L. Advincula, 20 years of service from BUGASS. We also have Dr. Zavilia T. Almorfe of BU Ginobatan. 2 decades of service, Dr. Zavilia T. Almorfe. Maraming salamat po, Dr. Sevilla T. Almorfe from BU Ginobatan. 2 decades of service is Professor Maria Crispina P. Baltazar of BUCS. Professor Maria Crispina P. Baltazar. Maraming salamat po, Professor Maria Crispina P. Baltazar. We also have Dr. Alma S. Banwa, BUCN, 20 years of service. Next to her is Mr. Ronaldo S. Piron of BU Tabaco. Mr. Ronaldo S. Piron, BU Tabaco. Congratulations, Sir Ronaldo Piron, BU Tabaco. We move on with Ms. Mary Lou F. Caceres, Bicol University, Ginobatan Campus. Ms. Mary Lou F. Caceres. Maraming salamat, Ms. Mary Lou F. Caceres of BU Ginobatan, another 20 years of service award. We have Ms. Ada N. Camba, Bicol University, Ginobatan Campus. Ms. Ada N. Camba. Next to that is Professor Benita B. Hugo of BUCE. Professor Benita B. Hugo. Maraming salamat, Professor Benita B. Hugo. Next to her is Dr. Jean Annette S. Ibo of BUCN. Dr. Jean Annette S. Ibo. Jean. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Jean Annette Ibo, BUCN. Calling on another awardee of 20 years of service, Dr. Eden M. Llamera, Bicol University, Pulangi Campus. Dr. Eden M. Llanera. Congratulations, Dr. Eden M. Llamera from BU Pulangi Campus. Next awardee is Mr. Roberto C. Madraso of Busit. And moving on with our next awardee is Ms. Sheila Marie M. Magalona of the BU IPESR. 20 years of service. Ms. Sheila Marie M. Magalona. salamat, Ma'am Sheila Marie M. Magalona, BUIPESR. Next awardee is Dr. Shermaine A. Malonzo of the BUCS. Dr. Shermaine A. Malonzo. We also have the next awardee is Dr. Grace L. Mayor of BUCAL. Dr. Grace L. Mayor. Maraming salamat po once again, Dr. Grace L. Mayor. Next to her is Dr. Maria Celina Eladia G. Meneses of BUCAL. 20 years of service. Dr. Maria Celina Eladia G. Meneses. Maraming salamat po, Dr. Maria Celina Eladia G. Meneses. Our next awardee is Ms. Marnie A. Morano of BUCAL. Maraming salamat, Ms. Marnie Morano. Next to her is Dr. Myla L. Niro of Bicol University, Ginobatan Campus. Dr. Myla L. Niro. Maraming salamat po, Dr. Myla L. Niro. Next to her is Mr. Vivencio M. Nunez Jr. of the BUGASS. Mr. Vivencio M. Nunez Jr. Maraming salamat, Mr. Vivencio M. Nunez Jr. from BUGASS. We call on Dr. Karina B. Orden of Bicol University, Tabaco Campus. Dr. Karina B. Orden, another 20 years of service awardee. Maraming salamat po, Dr. Karina B. Orden from PU Tabaco. We move on with Professor Conchita A. Palencia, BUCN. Professor Conchita A. Palencia. Maraming salamat po, Professor Conchita A. Palencia, BUCN. We call on Dr. Jason P. Punay of the BUCS. Dr. Jason P. Punay. Maraming salamat po, Dr. Jason P. Punay of BUCS. And our next awardee is Dr. Maria Delia C. Ranieses, BUCN. Oh, our dear host is also receiving her 20 years of Loyalty Service Award. Dr. Maria Delia C. Ranieses. Congratulations, Dr. Maria Delia C. Ranieses. Also 20 years of service awardee. Aside for being our host tonight. Thanks a lot, Dr. Maria Delia. Or we call her Ma'am Bambi. Yun. Another awardee is Professor Hilda L. Razal of BUCE. Moving on, we also have Miss Jane N. Ridada of BUCAL. 20 years of service, Miss Jane N. Ridada. Maraming salamat, Miss Jane N. Ridada of BUCAL, 20 years of service. Another awardees, Miss Pamela N. Rojas of BUEMD. We also have Mr. Gelson N. Sanchez of BUCE, as well as Miss Jane B. Shapno of BUCE.
Okay, many thanks and heartfelt congratulations to the 20 years of service, the Silver Awardees. Another set of awardees, this time 25 years, also Silver Awardees.
This time, to present the awards, may we call on Professor Sonny Ramos, Vice President for Planning and Development. Sir VPPD will be assisted by Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, PhD, Dean, BU College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. Dr. Adrian Aguilar, Dean, BU College of Arts and Letters. And Dr. Jean Annette Ibo, Dean of the BU College of Nursing. Starting off with our 25 years of service, please join us and rise up. We have Mr. or Professor Louis B. Bal of BUCE. Professor Louis Bal. Maraming salamat, Mr. Professor Louis B. Bal of BUCE. We have Ms. Teresita P. Baloloy of BUCN. 25 years of service. Ms. Teresita P. Baloloy. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Teresita P. Baloloy, 25 years of service. We also have Mr. Gregorio E. Barameda of BU Tabaco Campus, 25 years of service. Mr. Gregorio E. Barameda. Mamalas po, Mr. Gregorio Barameda of BU Tabaco Campus. Another awardee is Dr. Jocelyn I. Bartolata of the BU Cal. Dr. Jocelyn I. Bartolata. Congratulations, Dr. Jocelyn I. Bartolata, 25 years of service, BU Cal. Another professor is Professor Angelo P. Candelaria of the BU RDMD, 25 years of service. Professor Angelo P. Candelaria. Congratulations, Professor Angelo P. Candelaria from BURDMD. We have Professor Carlos V. Cortez Jr. Also from BURDMD, Professor Carlos V. Cortez Jr. We have Miss Annalie E. Encenares, BUGASS. Maraming salamat po, Professor Carlos V. Cortez Jr. Another awardee is Miss Annalie E. Encenares. We also have Mr. Ray M. Mapusao from BUGASS. Next to that is Mr. Remedio B. Miranda of BU Ginobatan. All right, maraming salamat. We also have Mr. Ananias Onate Jr. of BU Ginobatan. Congratulations, Mr. Ananias Nate Jr., 25 years of service. Maraming salamat, Mr. Ananias Onate Jr., BU Ginobatan. We also have Dr. Agnes J. Nepomuceno from the BU Cal, 25 years of service. We also have Ms. Jill E. Octesa of BU Ginobatan. Ms. Jill A. or Ms. Jill E. Octesa. Maraming salamat po, Ms. Jill Octeza. Next to that is Mr. Alfredo O. Olaviaga Jr. of BU Ginobatan. Mr. Alfredo O. Olaviaga Jr., 25 years, Ginobatan. Maraming salamat, Sir Alfredo Olaviaga Jr. Another awardee is Mr. Giselle O. Opeña from BU Ginobatan. We also have Ms. Salvacion L. Padilla from BU GASS. We also have Dr. Annalisa C. Pasano of the BUCE. Congratulations, Dr. Annalisa C. Pasano. And of course, to complete our silver awardees, we have Dr. Alma O. Satimbre from the BU Ginobatan. Dr. Alma O. Satimbre, Bicol University, Ginobatan Campus, 25 years of service.
Congratulations to all the silver awardees, and thank you very much, our beloved Vice President for Planning and Development, Sir Sani, and to the Dean of BU College of Nursing, Dr. Jean Annette S. Ibo. Moving on, we now proceed to the 30 years of service, and they are the gold awardees.
To present the awards, it is a pleasure to call on Dr. Lani Maceda, Vice President for Research Development and Extension. Dr. Lani Maceda will be assisted by Dr. Maria Jane B. Macarinas, Dean of the BU Graduate School, together with Dr. Benedicto B. Balilo Jr., Dean of the BU Open University, and Dr. Karina L. Sales, Director, Institute of Physical Education, Sports, and Recreation. Our gold awardees. now start off with our gold awardees, starting off with Ms. Maricel N. Andes of the BUCSSP, 30 years of service. We also have Professor Fe D. Ataisa of the BURDMD. Professor Fe D. Ataisa, 30 years of service. Maraming salamat, Professor Fe D. Ataisa from BURDMD. Next to her is Mr. Jacob or Jacob Juan N. Banyares of the BUGASS. Mr. Jacob Juan Banyares. Maraming salamat, Mr. Jacob or Jacob Juan Banyares. Another awardee is Ms. Amelita B. Bilono, Bicol University Tabaco Campus. 3 decades of service for Bicol University, Ms. Amelita B. Bilono. Congratulations, Ms. Amelita B. Bilono of BU Tabaco. We also have Ms. Shelo L. Jailo. Sorry for that. Our apologies. Ms. Shelo L. Jailo of BUGASS, 30 years of service. We also have Ms. Lily R. Lolo of Bicol University Pulangi Campus. Ms. Lily R. Lolo. Maraming salamat, Ms. Lily R. Lolo, 30 years of service, BU Pulangi Campus. Another 3 decades of service is Mr. Eduardo H. Moyo from Bicol University Ginobatan Campus. Mr. Eduardo H. Moyo. Congratulations, Mr. Eduardo Moyo, BU Ginobatan. Another BU Ginobatan is Mr. Merulo N. Nasol Jr. 30 years of service, BU Ginobatan. We also have Mr. Arnold A. Padilla of the BUGASS. Another 30 years of service award is Dr. Marcia Corazon P. Rico from the BUEMD. Dr. Marcia Corazon P. Rico. Congratulations, Dr. Marcia Corazon P. Rico of the BUEMD. We also have Professor Joel N. Sales of the BUCIT, 30 years of service. Professor Joel N. Sales. And to complete our 3-decade of award, we have Miss Mary Jane A. Vicuña from the BUGASS 30 Years of Service Awards. Ms. Mary Jane A. Vicuña.
Muchas gracias to our awardees and congratulations. And of course, thank you, Dr. Balilo and Dr. Karina Sales. Mwah. Up next is the 35 years of service. They are also gold awardees.
And to present the awards, may we call on backstage our most valued SUC President 4, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III. And I'm happy to call on Dr. Ofelia Samar C., Dean of the BU College of Medicine, together with Attorney Joseph Bartolata, PhD, Dean of BU College of Law, and Dr. Lorna Nina, Dean, BU College of Education, to assist our dear President in presenting the awards. To start, our 35 years of service awardee is Mr. Danilo C. Brizuela of Bicol University Tabaco Campus. Mr. Danilo C. Brizuela. Maraming salamat, Mr. Danilo C. Brizuela. Amazing 35 years of service. We call on Mr. Lorenzo B. Buendia of the Bicol University Tabaco Campus. Another 35 years of service awardee, Mr. Lorenzo B. Buendia. Congratulations at maraming salamat, Sir Danilo C. Brazuela, for your 35 years of service. We have Engineer Rolando M. Dasillo of the Bicol University College of Engineering. Engineer Rolando M. Dasillo, 35 years service awardee. Maraming salamat, Engineer Rolando M. Dasillo, Bicol University College of Engineering. Another 35 years of service awardee is Dr. May Antoinette S. Imran, Biyukal. Dr. May Antoinette S. Imran, 35 years of service. Maraming salamat, Dr. May Antoinette S. Imran, 35 years of service, Biyukal. And we have Ms. Eleanor D. Makasinag from BUGASS. Ms. Eleanor D. Makasinag. And to complete our 35 years of service, we have Ms. Cindy N. Nas of the Library Services. So that completes our 35 years of service, the Gold Awardees.
Up next are the 40 years in service. 40 years in the university means a lifetime of unquestionable dedication, hard work, and unwavering commitment to the institution's growth. You, our dear awardees, have truly been an integral part of all the successes the university has achieved over the years.
And so, to present the awards is once again our dear most revered SUC President 4, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, to be assisted by Engineer Amelia Gonzalez, PhD, Dean of the BU College of Engineering, together with Professor Jocelyn Serrano, Dean of BU College of Science, and Dr. Noemi Ibo, Director of BU Jesse M. Robredo, Institute of Governance and Development. And starting off our 4 decades of service from Bicol University College of Engineering, we have Engineer Oliver E. Aligan. Congratulations, Engineer Oliver E. Aligan. 40 years of service, Bicol University College of Engineering. Congratulations, 4 decades of service, Engineer Oliver E. Aligan. Another awardee is Ms. Jocelyn L. Corre of BUGASS. 4 decades of service. Imagine that! Wow! Miss Jocelyn L. Corre. Congratulations once again, Ma'am Jocelyn L. Corre. Wow! 40 years of service. BUGASS. Another 4 decades of award is Professor Scorzeni C. De Jesus, Bicol University, Tabaco Campus. Maraming salamat, Professor Scorzeni C. De Jesus, BU Tabaco Campus. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Professor Scorzeni C. De Jesus, BU Tabaco Campus. Another awardee is Dr. Noemi L. Ibo of the BU JMRIGD. Congratulations, 40 years of service. Amazing years, Dr. Noemi L. Ibo. Amazing sight it is, ladies and gents, since these are our inspiration of those Loyalty Service Award. Once again, Dr. Noemi L. Ibo. Another awardee is Dr. Rosemary T. Frias of the BU JMRIGD. Dr. Rosemary Frias. Maraming salamat for your unwavering service to the university, Dr. Rosemary T. Frias, BJMRIGD. Another awardee is Professor Donato L. Milay Jr. from BUCE. Congratulations, Professor Donato L. Milay Jr., BUCE. Congratulations once again, Professor Donato L. Milay Jr. And completing our 40 years of service is Dr. Eddie S. C. of the BUCBEM. Once again, congratulations once more to our beloved awardees. You guys are truly an inspiration.
At this point, ladies and gentlemen, we shall be hearing two testimonials from our esteemed awardees. Testimonials are a powerful way to celebrate their achievements and provide a personal glimpse into the impact they have made both within the university and in the broader community. Friends, to give the first testimonial is from the teaching department. He joined Bicol University in 1983 as an assistant instructor substitute in the then Bicol University College of Fisheries. He became permanent with the rank of Instructor 2 in 1985. After that, he went plain sailingly through every rank with multiple designations and researches. Yes, I have to mention this. He is a prolific researcher with 9 publications, both national and international, and 22 citations. Really outstanding, sir. He is right now the officer in charge of Bicol University Tabaco. A resounding applause to our 40 years Golden Awardee, Professor Scorzeni de Jesus.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome us on stage. We have Professor Scorzeni de Jesus.
Hello. Good evening, everybody. It's been actually 48 years in the university because I had my high school education in this university and I had college education also in this university. So plus 40 years of being a professor, so that's all in all 48 years. Now, what are some of the most memorable events that had happened to me in my stay in this university for 48 years? First, I had my first kiss and I had my first love. I cannot forget it. I guess you also cannot forget your first kiss and your first love. There was a point in time that we were so in love with each other, but it did not prosper. I married another woman. And there was a point in time also that we met in the street with her. Along with her is her child. And then, good thing that the child did not look like me. So lucky am I don't have an additional responsibility. No? So that's one of the most memorable events that had happened to me. Now, the other one was that when I became a researcher, I was required to undergo training in scuba diving. With scuba diving, I was able to see some of the most beautiful life forms under the sea. And until now, I cannot forget it. And there was also a point in time in which I have to dive out of foolishness. I have to dive up to 175 feet. And I cannot forget it because that's being foolish, since at 175 feet, it's a biological desert. You don't see any life form at all. The most beautiful part of the sea is found at 40 feet and up to 60 feet. Beyond that, it's a biological desert. So that was foolish of me, together with my research assistant, who is now a professor also, Professor Antonino Mendoza. My third memory in this university, I was teaching my students to learn how to catch fish because during the time, there was a fishing vessel in our campus. And I was assigned as a professor to bring the students out there in the sea. We encounter big waves. It's okay. But the worst of it all, I was suspected of stealing fish. So my father then was a civil service regional director, and he scolded me in the phone because he found out that I was one of the suspects of stealing fish. But it was not true at all. Well, that's part of the memory, no? My fourth memory is months ago, my former dean, nandyan pa ba si ma'am? Wala na. Requested me to be her associate dean. And then when she retired, she recommended me to be the OIC dean of Bicol University, Tabaco. Those are the memorable events that had happened in my life. Good evening, everybody.
What an adventure it has been, sir, ha? Thank you so much. A firm salute to you. Another round of applause to our dear Dr. Professor Scorsini de Jesus. Okay, another testimonial will be given by a lady this time from the non-teaching department. I should say she's a stalwart in the university, having the 40 years. Now, she joined the university in 1984 as Clerk 1 and has since been assigned with various designations all these years. Wherever she is assigned, whether BU Ginabatan, Tabaco, or main campus, she performs well as a worker, even under pressure and despite all the challenges. She is well-rounded in the sphere of professionalism, as she has worked quite exceptionally as Administrative Officer 3, Internal Auditor 3, Internal Quality Auditor, and Inspector for Goods and Services. Now, she is the Acting Chief of the Internal Service. What an exemplary tour of duty, ma'am, as BU teaching personnel. Ladies and gentlemen, to give us another testimonial, a warm cheer for another 40-year awardee, Miss Jocelyn Llanto Core.
Once again, please welcome our 40-year awardee, Miss Jocelyn Llanto Core.
Good evening po. May kodigo po ako. Nervous kaya po magsabi, this is my first time to speak in front of big event like this. I was tasked by Ma'am Jennifer Barameda and I can't say no. Sabi ko, bahala na si Batman. Sir Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, our esteemed President, Sir Cyrus Barameda, VP for Administration and Finance, Dr. Julieta P. Bores, VP for Academic Affairs, Dr. Lani Waseda, VP for Research, Development and Extension, Professor Sani A. Ramos, VP for Planning and Development, Deans, Directors, colleagues, and friends. Thank you for this opportunity to share my story. Today marks 40 years and 9 months, to be exact, since I joined the Bicol University. My journey began on March 19, 1984. As Clerk 1 in the Comptroller's Office, now the Finance and Management Office. With the late Mrs. Munino Federico's guidance, I was able to task assisting in the preparation of payrolls, including remittances of all mandatory deductions. Back then, we were already trained to do multitasking since employees were then only few, and so we have to work hard in all areas just to meet deadlines and prevent backlogs. Over the years, I embraced various roles: bookkeeper for the Graduate School, College of Nursing and Research, prepared report for issued and canceled checks submitted to the Bureau of Treasury. In short po, natutunan ko po na makapagtrabaho sa lahat ng 4 na sections po ng Comptroller's Office then. I was also a canvasser that was special task that was given by the late President Judge Bonto. Then I was transferred to Internal Audit Office as we Internal Audit Office by the President during the time with a special assignment. Our tasks were to pre-audit financial transactions, salaries, and honorariums, and other. Then, in the early of 1997, I was promoted to AO of BU Tabaco Campus. During my, while the opportunity was then promoted as Administrative Officer of BU Tabaco, was exciting. It posed challenges. It was quite difficult for me because my husband doesn't want me there to go to BU Tabaco Campus because of distance from our home. And that time, our children were still in elementary. I need to adjust to new environment, work with new people, and reset my routine. Yet, despite of all the worries, I had considered it as an opportunity to push through because honestly, promotions were seldom and hard. I remember one time, my child always asked me kung bakit daw hindi ako nakakauwi ng may araw pa, lagi na lang daw gabi. Nag-explain na lang po ako na yan talagang work ng mama mo, malayo, kaya pasensya na. Then I had an unforgettable experience during my time when I was going to Tabaco. The bus that I was riding on, nasulo po. So sa dit pa po iyan na na lumaon na, napigaapod ka ito po, tura-tura, na haling daraga hanggang Tabaco. Ngunyan po, kang nasulo, yaong pala ng makina sa tahaw, ako po ang nawalat sa laog kang bus. Sinda nagrulok sana sa bintana, ako nawalat, medyo chubby, di ako nakakausto sa bintana. Tinarabangan po ako, pagkatapos sa bintana, habang pigbubugnot po ako, sige lang ang iro-iro ko, nagsarabay po sa bintana kang bus dahil lumaon na, lawanit man sana po, kaya ako nakaluwas. Such experiences is true nerve-cracking, reminded me to be grateful for its safe journey. Kaya I would also to thank our dean that time, Dr. Oscar Landagan, who was very supportive. They helped me made it through, especially sa work. There were also ups and downs during my time as an AO, but the valuable lessons, it gave me even more stronger and wiser. Because I took it all positively. I can say that I was able to build good camaraderie among the employees there and gain unexpected friendships after. Siguro po si Sir Scorsene de Jesus, the Dean of Tabaco, can also tell kung ano po ako during that time while I was assigned in Tabaco. In 2005, I returned to main campus to join the Internal Audit Service. It was President Susana Cabredo, together with her committee, who selected me as one of the staffs in the Internal Audit Service. During the time, BU was the very first university to implement the creation of IAS among all the SOCs in Bicol region. This period allowed me to grow professionally, working alongside dedicated colleagues and under supportive leaders. Reflecting on my career, Bicol University has more than just a workplace. It's been a home, a source of growth, and a foundation for my family's well-being. Through ups and downs, I've learned grace, resilience, gratitude, and the value of strong relationships. I guess that is the secret ingredient to 40 years in service. Sabi nga sa kanta, what a journey it has been, and the end is not a sight. Still, I'm here today, dedicating my time and happy to serve Bicol University. I'm 62 years old now, and I thank the Lord for I am well, healthy, no daily maintenance, still grooving to the beat of life. Now, I can finally say that I am already accomplished, contented, and fulfilled. Lastly po, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you for all my mentors who helped me make this far. My deepest respect and gratitude to the late Sir Magdaraog, our Chief Controllers, and the late Ma'am Munina Federico. To Ma'am Babes Flores, who also assisted and helped me a lot during my AO years, and to Sir Martin Baloloy. Likewise, to the late Mr. Avalon, our Chief of Office, who was with us from the very beginning of IAS. Sir, your legacy is indelible and it still remains with us today. To Sir Cyrus Barameda, whose professionalism and hard work is like no other. Thank you, sir. To be able to work with you is a privilege for us to appreciate and become more functional at work. Sa 13 years na pag-iribahan ta po, sir, we will never forget how you treated us with equal respect. We, your IAS family, are all proud of what you have become. Sir Sunny Ramos, thank you for believing in me. Para permi po ako niyang pigpapakusog ang buot ko. And also, especially to Dean Rose of Ginubatan and Ma'am Bambi, aram na ninda po kung nga ta po, grabe ang pasalamat ko sa inda. And lastly, to Sir Baby Boy Benjamin Nabres, the President, dai ka po, sir, nagbabago. Nagkaibahan po kami ni Sir President since 2010. During ISO, lagi po kaming magkatandem as guide sa external auditors. Dai ko po, sir, nalilingawan, sabi mo sa ko na Ate Jo, wala pong mababago kung ano po tayo ngayon, ay noon, ay ganun pa rin ngayon. Yun pa rin. Thank you so much po, and likewise, the camaraderie of colleagues who become lifelong friends. Above all, I thank the Lord for this blessed life. To Bicol University, my second home, thank you for 40 years. I am proud to be a Buenyo and will always cherish the journey we've shared. Good evening po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Jo. Yes, one of my besties in the university, and at 60 plus years old, still grooving the dance of life with no maintenance. Thank you very much. To give us another intermission number, let's all welcome back the Albay BU Magayon dancers.
have it, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause, please, for the Albay Magayon Dance Troupe. All right, so this time, I think we're gonna have a special announcement right now before we call it a night. Okay, since it's a special evening for all of us, and you all dressed up. Thanks a lot for the effort of being so beautiful and so handsome tonight. I think we shall be having a special award, or we shall be having, aside from the loyalty, service, and retirement award, this time we shall be having our Best Dress Award. And sorry, or apologies for that. Star of the Night, not Best Dress. Honest mistake for that. Male and female Star of the Night. So please join us on stage later on. Okay, we shall be starting off with for the female category. Our winner of the Star of the Night female category is congratulations, Miss Mary Jane A. Vicuña. You are the Star of the Night female category. Palapakan naman natin the beautiful Mary Jane A. Vicuña.
Yeah, may we call on Ma'am Myra Austero to assist in presenting the award for the Star of the Night Women category. Ma'am Myra, please join Ma'am Jen on stage.
Truly, she deserves that Star of the Night. Even the celebrities of Star Magic will be very insecure of her. Let's do the rap. All right, let's give her the quarter turn. Wala ba palapakan for our Star of the Night? The female category. She's really making the most of it tonight. And of course, the evening will never be complete without the male Star of the Night. Ladies and gentlemen, without a doubt, he embodies, of course, the glittering and shimmering celebration of the evening. None other than our dear President, Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, our male Star of the Night. Kahit si Donnie Pangilinan kakain ng alikabok. With our male Star of the Night, once again, Sir Baby Boy Nebres or Benjamin Nebres III. There you go. Our male and female awardees.
Our awardees will give Alden Richards and who's this girl? Catherine Bernardo a run for their money. Congratulations to our stars of tonight.
Hello, be you again.
Hello, be you again. Yeah, that was awesome. Now, ladies and gentlemen, even the most glamorous and exciting events must eventually come to an end. As we near the end of this tonight's remarkable celebration, let's call back on stage the Star of the Night. This time, she will be speaking as the President of the BU Association of Non-Teaching Staff for the closing remarks. A round of applause to Miss Mary Jane A. Vicuña.
What could be better than celebrating awards and achievements in the merriest months of the year? To our Bicol University officials, faculty, and to my beloved BUANS, Bicol University Association of Non-Teaching Staff, and guests, good evening to all of you. Each obstacle hurdled and passed brings us to the finish line. We may not all be declared the winner, but finishing the track is nothing less than victory. Because each of us has beautiful stories to tell. I won't be taking much time closing this program with my messages. But allow me to congratulate every one of us, especially the awardees, to a job well done. To our awardees and honorees, please, let us all stand. Awardees, okay. Let's give our of applause. Okay, thank you very much. In this community, the success of one is the success of all. To God be all the glory. Merry Christmas to all of you and Happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Jane. Yeah, still letting her have the moment of her life. Our star of the night and the president of BUANS. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, the Bicol University Service Awards 2024 is one for the books. We have once again created memories to look back on later. Now, thank you all for the lovely presents. We owe Bicol University a debt of gratitude. So may I enjoin you all to sing with pride and honor the Bicol University hymn. But after the hymn, please stay for the same day edit. O, parang kasal lang. Okay, stand everybody. Let's all sing with pride the Bicol University.
This is the school we wish to sing, of a school to honor and revere, a temple built by man of firmness, a mold for you to walk with pride, for Thee will always be united, although we tread on distant lands. We all shall cherish what You've taught us, that You wholeheartedly gave forth. Bicol University, burning torch of wisdom, fount of courage, hope, and love, seed of truth and love. seed of truth and light.
Once again, isang malakas na palakpakan for Bicol University. Maraming salamat for your commitment and dedication. So this time, bilang as we close up this year's service award, let's all watch this year's highlight of the awardee ceremonies. Let's all watch this.
I'm in a heartbeat that I used to know, a faded light burning soft and slow, but I carry on, digging deeper in my mind, see so much left of me to find, so I carry on, reaching up to find the surface with eyes open. I can start again. Memories from someone I once knew, faded away and gone too soon. Still I carry on. Seems the more and more I try, the more I have to sacrifice, but I'll carry on, reaching up to find the surface with eyes open. I can start again. And when the night is finally done, I know that our best is yet to come. I lift my head to the rising sun. I run towards you in the horizon. I run towards you in the horizon. And when the night is finally done, I know that our best is yet to come. I lift my head to the rising sun. I run towards you in the horizon. I run towards you in the horizon.
Ladies and gentlemen, this time we give you the video
Here to
presentation.
celebrate a momentous event, the Bicol University Service Awards 2024.
the Bicol University Service Awards 2024, an event devoted to recognizing and applauding the extraordinary contributions of Bicol University employees who have exemplified admirable service.